Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today NexPoint Capital Incorporated just filed an 8K, and I am seeing a specific number that tells a bigger story about their share price. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The real insight here is in how they're valuing their shares for a specific program. So what we have here is a regular update from NexPoint Capital Incorporated, a company that manages investments. This form, an 8K, is like a public announcement for significant events. The main thing they are reporting on is their net asset value per S-share. This is the key number, $4.67 per S-share. This is how much NexPoint Capital believes its own shares are worth as of the 31st of July. More importantly, this is the price at which they are issuing new shares under their Distribution Reinvestment Plan, or DRP. They mention they are following specific rules. Rule 2 and -5 to figure out this share price. Basically, this rule helps investment companies make sure they are valuing their assets fairly. It's all about making sure the price reflects the real worth of what the company owns. Now, here is a detail that gives the company some control. The price for these new shares issued through the DRP is set by their advisor. The important part is that this price won't be lower than the net asset value, which is that $4.67 we just talked about. This means when new shares are issued, they are issued at a price that is at least what the company believes its own shares are worth. This is generally a good sign for existing shareholders because it suggests new money is coming in at a fair valuation, preventing excessive dilution. Looking at this, the company is being transparent about its valuation method. The $4.67 net asset value per S-share is the benchmark for existing investors. This means that when new shares are bought through the DRP, they are entering the company at a price that is supposed to reflect the underlying value of the company's assets. This is a common practice for many investment funds, and it helps to maintain the stability of the fund's share price over time, as new investments are made at a price that is in line with the fund's current worth. The fact that they are providing this specific number means investors can keep an eye on it. If this net asset value per S-share starts to consistently go up or down, it gives a good indication of how the company's investments are performing. For NexPoint Capital, this $4.67 is their current benchmark for valuing their own stock when issuing new shares. Now, looking at this filing, it is pretty straightforward. It focuses on one key number and the process behind it. There are no major surprises or dramatic shifts being reported, but it does provide a clear snapshot of their share valuation for a specific purpose. The main takeaway is that $4.67 per S-share figure. It is the anchor for how they are bringing in new investment through their distribution reinvestment plan. The risk I am watching is how this net asset value per S-share evolves over time, as that will be the true indicator of the company's investment performance. If you want the research tools I use to find these filings, they are linked in the description. Affiliate links that support the channel, that is my take. Stay decoded. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join our Discord community.